shout out to Architect Patrick of Architect Studio. I've always been a fan and I always believe in the amazing work that you do. Keep it up, and I'm encouraging everyone to support him as well.
A trip to Cagayan de Oro City in the Philippines isn't complete if you don't get a chance to visit at least one of its popular and delicious serving in Cagayan de Oro City restaurants. We all want to taste some delicious and authentic food when we travel. And we all are pretty much excited to look for delicious dishes when we visited Cagayan de Oro City. Dining out and trying out some amazing dishes is great, especially after a day of fun. Since Valentine's Day is fast approaching and you're not sure where to dine this Valentine's Day, or maybe you are just craving for some juicy Korean beef, look no further as Ember Grillery unlimited samgyeopsal and unlimited beef for just 449 pesos per person. You can enjoy eat all you can this Valentine's Day. Located at the Lifestyle District along Corrales extension of Cagayan de Oro City, Ember Grillery has been giving Kagay-anons a different level of grilling experience since it opened last October 23, 2017. I highly suggest that you book and reserve with Ember by SMS, call, or Facebook page in advance for your dine-in dates. Ember Buffet has a wide variety of marinated Korean beef, fresh romaine lettuce, various side dishes, and savory dipping sauce, which all work together to give you an amazing dining experience. You can then grill and prepare your food any way you want and enjoy it with friends or your loved ones. So ano nga ba ang kasama sa promo ng Valentine's Day of Ember Grillery? This promo includes unlimited plain samgyeopsal, unlimited sweet marinated samgyeopsal, spicy samgyeopsal, unlimited beef bulgogi, unlimited red curry beef, unlimited Korean fried chicken, kimchi, cucumber salad, plain rice, kimchi rice, only sauce like the original, special spicy, cheese sauce, chili garlic, sesame oil, salt and pepper, and unlimited iced tea. How about bringing home some favorite samgyeopsal? Ember Grillery offers the very first samgyeopsal takeout service in the city, which include ready-to-cook plain or marinated samgyeopsal, romaine lettuce, garlic, bean paste, salt and pepper, sesame oil, and kimchi for you to enjoy.
Ang manok ay sa isa lang.
And there's more than just unlimited samgyeopsal. Ember Grillery also caters various occasions. They even have exclusive function rooms for corporate events, birthday parties, and reunions.
My friends are on camera. Kau patah gede.
So what are you waiting for? Come and visit Ember Grillery, located at Lifestyle District along Corrales Extension, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. And enjoy authentic Korean samgyeopsal na sulit sa budget mo.